Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to heating, ventilation and air conditioning. For a better understand, please use subtitles. This is Economizer sub-assembly. I will show you one by one. This is a condenser, air-cooled condenser. After leaving the condenser line, the refrigerant flows from here, and then this is a filter and dryer shell which removes moisture particles or dust particles or any sand particles like that, which filters refrigerant. Okay, after leaving the refrigerant from here, it will enter into the heat plate exchanger. This is a heat plate exchanger. You can see this. Micro plate heat exchanger. Makeup is a Danfoss. You can see here. This is called as a micro plate heat exchanger. You can see the pressure, testing pressure, design pressure, all are shown here. Okay. The total part is called as Economizer sub-assembly. After leaving filter and dryer shell, it enters into the microplate heat exchanger. Then here you can see electric expansion valve. This is also made up with Danfoss. You can see Danfoss electric expansion valve. Here one more is there. Then after leaving electric expansion valve, it enters into the evaporative tank. You can see the copper coil is. This is the copper coil. This is a cool. The liquid refrigerant totally decreases its temperature after leaving electric expansion valve. So you can see the insulation. This is the insulation. Okay. This line. This. See. This is the evaporator. You can see this. This is the evaporator. Okay. This is the working principle of Economizer sub-assembly. And here in microplate heat exchanger, you can see one which is going to the compressor. It will go to again to the compressor. One is, you can see from here. I will show you one by once again. See, one is going to the evaporator, another one is going again to the compressor. This line, you can see here muffler is there. This is muffler to decrease the sudden pressure of the refrigerant. Then after leaving muffler, it enters into the compressor. See this, I will show you from other end. See, this is the muffler, and see, this is the compressor. You can see this line. This is the compressor. Okay guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe our page, Heating, Ventilation, Air Conditioning. Thanks so much.